In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file to Gmail. If you need to share a spreadsheet quickly, Gmail makes the process very simple. Whether you're sending a budget, a report, or any other Excel document, the key is knowing where to click and making sure the file is attached before you send the message. Start by going to your Gmail inbox. Once Gmail is open and you've landed on your main inbox screen, look for the Compose button. This is the button you use to create a brand new email. Click on Compose and a new message window will appear. In that new email window, look along the bottom row of options for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip. Click that attach icon to begin adding your Excel file to the email. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open from your device. Now select the Excel file from your device. Browse to the folder where your spreadsheet is saved, click on the file you want to send, and confirm your selection. Give it a moment to upload completely. This is important because if the file is still uploading and you send the email too early, the attachment may not go through correctly. Once the upload finishes, you should see the file attached in the message window. Next, click into the To field and enter the recipient or recipients. Make sure the email address is correct before moving on, especially if you're sending a work file or anything important. After that, click into the subject line and enter your subject. Keep it clear and specific so the person receiving the email immediately understands what the attachment is about. For example, you might use a subject that matches the spreadsheet's purpose. Then click into the body of the email and add your message text. You don't need to write anything complicated. A short message explaining what the Excel file is and why you're sending it is usually enough. Keeping the message simple and professional helps the recipient know what to expect before they open the attachment. Once everything looks good, click on Send. Your email, along with the attached Excel file, will be delivered to the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Excel file through Gmail. Before sending any attachment, it's always a good idea to do one final review of the recipient, subject line, message, and attached file so you can avoid mistakes and send everything with confidence.